Good morning, ma'am. Welcome from S Cafe Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation. Yes. May I have your name and for how many persons, please?
My name is Angel and I prefer to go
Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking area?
non-smoking.
This way, please. This table will be okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Please have a seat. May I unfold your plastic?
Yes.
How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like an iced tea or pineapple juice? Excuse me, ma'am. Have some water. Here is your iced tea, ma'am. By the way, my name is Super Sonia, and I will be your dining for today. Just don't hesitate to call me wherever you need some. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some fresh baked bread. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. I will take your order when I am ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
Yes. Sa appetizer, salami wraps. Sa soup, cream of mushroom soup. Sa salad, mixed with salad with balsamic. Main course, grilled chicken breast with lemon butter. Sa main course, grilled pork chop with apples, seasoning leaves.
Here is your order. Your order is salami ka, cream mushroom soup, Caesar salad, green chicken breast, tiramisu, moscato. Did I get the correct order?
Yes.
Thank you. You will be served within 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your Caesar salad. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your Caesar salad? May I give? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your cream mushroom soup. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your salami cup. Ma'am, are you done with your salami cup? May I please? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your Carlo Rossi white wine with a vintage year of 1917, product of Napa Valley with alcohol content of 5.2% with the aroma of lime and raspberry. This is your cordial, ma'am. Would you like to taste it? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your white wine.